Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the voice control on GoPro Fusion 360. To do it, you need to first enable it in settings. To do it, click on the mode button right here to switch to the settings, then click on OK, and now click on OK button until you get to the voice control settings, which are here. Now you can turn them on or off by clicking on OK, and you can also go down and click on OK to switch the language like that. So I'm gonna leave it at English US, then click on done, and now you should be able to use the voice control. I'm gonna tell you all of the commands. So here I have them, and we are gonna test it. The highlight option, by the way, is while you are recording, it adds a highlight to the moment of the video, so you have it highlighted as an important moment. So I'm gonna stop it, and now let's try using it. So the first one is gonna be GoPro start recording, and you can see that it starts recording. And while it's recording, you can say GoPro highlight, and it highlights it. Then you can say GoPro stop recording. Also, instead of GoPro highlight, you can say that was sick, and it will also highlight the moment. Then you can say GoPro take a photo. It will switch to the mode and then take a photo, so it may take a while. Then you can go to GoPro shoot burst. Then you can go to GoPro start time-lapse. GoPro start time-lapse. And now it's doing a time-lapse. To stop it, say GoPro stop time-lapse. Then GoPro video mode, GoPro photo mode, GoPro time-lapse mode, GoPro burst mode, GoPro turn off, and these are all of the options on your GoPro Fusion 360 with voice control. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.